Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at the start of my Black Friday Happy Mail. I'm so excited that stuff has come so quickly. So this is stuff from Happy Planner Cyber Week Day 1, which was November 21st, and Day 4, which was Thanksgiving. And it's odd, but that's the order that they came in. So more stuff has shipped, but this is what's here now. So this is what we're going to look at. So Day 1 was the new tote and I don't know, adventure package or something like that. So let's get this stuff out of here. So it comes with this cute clear tote. It says Happy Planner on it in, like, I don't know, mustardy colored ink. The corners are a little janky, but you know, we're used to that here, right? We always get the broken stuff here. If it will just focus, there we go. So yeah, so the corners are a little janky, but I really don't care. Let's put that on the side. So you get 2 bookmarks, and they are die cut on the edges. They're not like flat bookmarks. So you've got the Explore and then the Create Your Own Adventure. So the cool thing with the Explore is you've got like the palm trees and then like the boardwalk type deal, and then hotels and taxis, and something that looks like Japan or China. I'm not really sure. You got the Eiffel Tower. I don't know what that pink and blue thing is in front of the Eiffel Tower. We got like camping stuff and a lighthouse and trains, and it just looks really fun. So I like that. I don't really travel. These things are fun, but these all look like fun. I would love to travel to these places. Can't afford it. Inflation stinks. Alright, so the next thing was these discs. Now, according to the Happy Planner website, they're calling them ocean colored. They're kind of like a teal color. We're going to end up trashing this box, basically, because it doesn't want to open. Okay, so here they are. So these are regular size discs. They are not expander discs. They're like a blue-green kind of color. They are metal. They are very pretty, but they are more blue than green, and they do have kind of like that pearlescent shimmer, which is nice. These are green discs from that Be Happy box they did. I just lost one. Luckily I can see where it went. So these are like Christmas green, nowhere near this. So this is definitely like an ocean color, which I'm assuming is why they called it that. But it's not, like a lot of people were saying it was blue-green. It looks blue-green until you put green next to it, and then it is very clearly blue. So we'll get that green one later. So we got these, and then there's a sticker book. So there was some kind of like travel-related, adventure-related sticker book in the last release, which I did not purchase. So here's the front. Alright, so we've got Find Me Under the Palms, Travel Day, with a car, so I can use that one. Pack Home, Fun Day, Pack, Travel Day, with an airplane, Travel Day. If there aren't palm trees, I'm not going. Good Times and Tan Lines, Bring the Sunshine. Take time to relax, Find Me Under the Palms. And then we've got like adventure calls, and it says date and place, create your own adventure, rest day, weekend trip, and you can write in where you went. Keep exploring. So it's got living the dream, just relaxing, being adventurous, seeing sights, date, place, and details. Vacay vibes, and then here's some more when, what, who details. And it looks kind of like a ticket. You can kind of like cut it off, and there's a coconut there, and then you got some functional boxes and bullets here. And now we got clear stickers. So here's that elevated boardwalk type thing that we saw on the bookmark, and we got palm trees and old drive-in signs, beachwear, old station wagons, Find Me Under the Palms, Good Times and Tan Lines. They seem to repeat the same stuff a lot lately in the sticker books, like the phrases. It's kind of annoying. I would prefer that they had different ones, or just don't do them, you know? Just give me more boxes or something. Paper stickers, these are all in green. This is more like a camping type vibe here. And we've got some light green foil, love colored foil. And now we've got like the camping motif. Clear decorative stickers, old-fashioned gas pump, Highway 1, Route 66. We've got more of this green foil. And a whole bunch of stuff. Wonder Seeker, be an explorer of the world. We got a Route 66 again. Enjoy the journey, time for an adventure, road trip, look up and get lost. I think I got them all. So now we've got some headers, some boxes. These are all classic sized. And then we've got little decorations down the center that say things like pack, fun day, travel day, stuff they said before. Just get out and go. New adventure awaits, explore, dream, discover. And you've got a trip itinerary over here, and this says live in the moment. And then this is pretty much the same thing we saw before, but a different colorway now. So the adventure calls with the date and place, weekend trip, time to pack your bags, functional boxes and bullets here, the tag thing over here, but now it's got a camera and it's green. To keep exploring, just living the dream, just relaxing, being adventurous, seeing the sights. These are pretty much the same. And now we've got taxis and buses and scooters, tickets to things, high rises, fountain. And now we've got silver foil with clear stickers. So we've got new adventure awaits, dream discover, explore, dream discover. That actually doesn't look like a bus, it looks like a monorail. I'm gonna knock that over, so I'm gonna move that. Just get out and go. So it's like the same stuff from before, just different. So now here's the same page again, but it's in like this brown and blue. And now we've got blue foil. I love blue foil, but again, it's the same stickers. So it's the same, like we've got our same ticket down here and this sidebar. So it's really just the colors and the decorative stickers that are changing. And some of the phrases like high tides and good vibes, finding paradise wherever I go, beach, sleep, repeat, go with the waves, vacay vibes, and sunshine. And now we've got this one again, and we've got kind of like a rose gold foil. Find joy in the journey, create your own adventure, travel often, eat well, travel often, away we go, and your trip itinerary. And now we've got the page with the ticket again, and it's got like a phone booth from England on it, one of those red ones. Love life, keep exploring, weekend trip. It's all the same stuff, different colors. Okay, so now you can see the sakura trees, so that is Japan. We've got a bicycle, we've got a tour bus from England, phone booth from England, a little cafe, and the Eiffel Tower, trains. It's all cute. Passport. And then we've got rose gold and the clear. So we've got more decorative stuff, sakura trees, buses, fountains, cups, cameras, travel often, eat well, travel often, happy cafe, create your own adventure. And now we've got sunglasses and palm trees and coconut drinks and old-fashioned station wagons, tents, pine trees, campers, compasses, taxis, luggage, and trains, planes, beach chairs, lighthouses, more outdoorsy drinks, seashells, London tour buses, cameras, hats, passports, scooters, trains. Now you've got a whole bunch of different words, and then you've got like little trains and campers and taxis and stuff in the middle. So it's like together, family trip, arrived, finally arrived, hello there, hello, so much fun, just cruising, travel, tour time, touring, adventure, exploring. So it's just a whole bunch of little phrase stickers you could use. They're probably good for like memory keeping. So now we've got some half boxes and then these little like map markers, but they've got pictures inside. So there's like the beach scene, kind of like a I don't really know what you'd call that. It's like outdoorsy, but it's not camping. Let's go with rental house. We've got the Eiffel Tower and the cafe, the beach, camping, the beach again, more camping, and some high rises. And we've got the same map markers in the middle here, but now we've got quarter boxes, and we've got a ton of bullets, and then we've got all departure info boxes. So if you fly a lot, this is fantastic. And now we've got squigglies, we've got arrows, we've got dotted arrows, and we've got lots of push pins. And the reason for that is these maps. So you've got various sized maps of the United States, of the world. Here's a bigger one of the United States with all these little map markers. And then here's a bigger one of the world with all the little map markers. So that's pretty cool. There's discs under it, that's why it's been wobbling. So it's pretty cool. It's a nice little bag. It wasn't that expensive, I don't think. I think it was well worth it. I mean, the discs alone really, for me, are usually worth the price of admission with this kind of thing. If there are cool discs in an odd color that I'm not going to be able to just buy off the site, I'll absolutely buy whatever that thing is to get the discs. So they've got me cornered with that one. So you've got your little bag, your discs, your bookmarks, and the sticker book, which is pretty good. Especially if you travel a lot or go on a lot of vacations, a lot of camping trips, anything like that, family reunions, beach trips, anything like that. It seems like this would be great for all of those things. So that was day one. Let me just scoop this stuff back into here. Hopefully without losing anything. In there. And these. Okay. And move that over there, and we're going to look at this stuff I got on day 4. So day 4 was not particularly exciting as far as I was concerned. It was the, I think, BOGO sticker and the doorbusters. And the doorbusters were older stuff. It was Christmas stuff from the vault, which means it's older. So it's so much older that it goes back to scrapbooking days. Like, that's how much older this stuff is. Well, except for these that I'm about to show you. So I did get 3 of these. They're exactly the same. Because 2 of them are for my daughters for their Christmas stockings because they're pin addicts. And I wanted them because I have recently purchased a whole bunch of other Happy Planner pins that have surfaced. So I figure I might as well just keep collecting them as they pop up. So there's the little red bird. It's got a hat, and there's like snow. And then there's a car with a tree on it. You know how much I love trucks with trees on them, so that's a car with a tree on it. And then one that just says joy. So they're just cute little pins. They were like, I don't know, $1.99 or something. It never comes with a packing list, but everything I got was like really pretty cheap. So then I grabbed these stickers, which literally go back to scrapbooking. I'm not kidding you. In fact, I think I had some of these. Let's see, you got a year on the back here. 2013. Okay. So these I grabbed because I do a lot of Christmas cards every year. And there's like stamping involved and wax seals and all kinds of craziness. Ribbon, multiple layers of paper and cardstock and ink, and it's just, it's a lot of stuff. These are a super easy way to finish off the front of a card. They're all 3-dimensional. They have foam on the back. Some of them have glitter. Some of them have little rhinestones. Like this snowman is adorable. And you've got all of these little Christmas sayings on here. You've got the bird, the Merry Christmas. There's red glitter and gems on those. And then over here we've got winter. We've got Rudolph, snowman with a whole bunch of blue glitter behind him. Little gems all over the place. So these are like really good for finishing off cards. If your kids want to make Christmas cards and you want to make it super easy, because they still sell these at the craft stores, by the way. I find these at like Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I don't remember if I saw them at Joann, but I probably did. Even Walmart might have these. So if your kids want to make Christmas cards and they want to like make Christmas cards and you don't want them playing with ink and stamps and things like that, glitter, embossing powder, I don't suggest little kids and embossing powder, trust me. I'm an adult and I make enough mess with that. Or at least I used to. I don't have that stuff anymore. Get them these stickers and some blank cards and let them throw these on the front and then put whatever they want on the inside. And they'll be happy they made cards, they'll be proud of themselves, and they'll look pretty good. And then the last thing I got was this Christmas paper. And this is 12 by 12 cardstock. And this is from 2014. So most likely, I have owned this before. I have so much paper, I built myself like racks out of these things from Target and okay, so are they all the same? Wow. Okay, So this is not cool. They're all identical. This is not the way that this kind of thing is supposed to come. I mean, plus they're blank on the back. It just, I don't know, it's 2014, so I guess things were kind of cheesy and cheap. But definitely would not have been bought this way in the craft store. So most likely, this is the kind of thing they would sell to Michaels, and Michaels would put it out on the rack with the patterned paper, and you'd grab like one or two for like 50 cents each. So that's most likely what happened here. So I'm going to have bits of this Christmas paper to use for many, many cards and things for quite a while, because there's no way I can use that many 12 by 12 sheets of paper that are all identical. That's kind of, you know, I don't even think they said that on the website, but I think that's kind of not cool on their part. Could have at least warned people. Like, if I knew it was going to be that, I probably wouldn't have bought it. Wonderland Happy Holidays is what the paper's called. And it's from 2014. So there's the time to reorder thing. So I think this is in fact what they used to send to like Michaels and stuff. So yeah, so that's the stuff that I got for that day. So I got the pins, I got the stickers for cards, and I got paper for cards, and now I've got too much. You can actually, because you can cut all this into strips, you could use it for trim for stuff, you could use it for, you could make fake washi out of it. As long as you cut it straight. You really could. So yeah, so I'm not really sure what beyond a couple of cards I'm going to do with that, but we'll see. Because I also have like a number of Christmas paper pads and stuff. But yeah, so far this is everything that I got from Happy Planner. So more stuff is coming, because I ordered something every day except, I want to say Sunday. I think every day except Sunday. Yeah, every day except Sunday I ordered something. So there's more stuff coming. So when it gets here, we will do another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.